About 1 million Americans have HIV. KSNT News reporter Willis Scott takes us to an organization working to slow the spread of the disease in Northeast Kansas. He tells us what they say your family should know about the virus in this week's Community Matters.
This is what HIV looks like, but the real thing isn't cute at all. The disease attacks the immune system, and you can get it no matter your sexual orientation, gender, race, or economic status.
William Blakely remembers the day he found out he contracted HIV.
My test result came back positive, and the world just stopped.
He was overwhelmed by the cost of the medicine he needs to stay healthy.
The copay was going to be about $3,200 a month.
That's where Positive Connections stepped in to help.
If I didn't have the case management care that I have here in the Ryan White, there's no way I could afford it.
Blakely is enrolled in the federal Ryan White program, which covers people who can't get insurance. Positive Connections Executive Director Debbie Gilbo says they help people get coverage through their case management services.
On our case management side, our biggest thing is to make sure that people have access to care.
With his medication, Blakely can keep his HIV from developing into AIDS. People who stick to their treatment plan can even lower their risk of spreading HIV.
They have very little to no risk of transmitting HIV to other people.
She encourages most sexually active people to get tested.
Even if you're in a monogamous relationship, if you've had a partner in the past that was not your current partner, it's a good idea.
And she says it's never too early to start talking to your kids about sex and what your values as a family are.
Also, letting them know about what precautions they can take to keep themselves safe when they do become sexually active.
With the help of his case manager at Positive Connections, Blakely says he doesn't have to worry about his HIV anymore.
It doesn't end your life. I'm going to live just as old as everybody else.
An HIV rapid test only takes about 15 to 20 minutes, but it could keep the virus from compromising your immune system or spreading to someone else if you have it. In Central Topeka, Willis Scott, KSNT News.
And all of the services they offer are free. You can find out more about Positive Connections by clicking on this story on our website. And while you're there, make sure to tell us about any organization you'd like us to do a story on by using our Report It feature.